Hello gardeners. Today I will show you the best top dressing for tomato seedlings, which will quickly stimulate its growth. Real leaves will quickly begin to grow on seedlings. I often get asked this question in the comments. Why seedlings do not grow, or vice versa, they stretch. Seedlings are pulled out due to lack of lighting, but if there is enough of everything, the soil is nutritious and loose, watering is timely, and the seedlings still do not grow, then only this top dressing will help you. I would even say it's excellent natural growth stimulant, which everyone can cook, since I think every housewife has this ingredient. Namely, fresh yeast. Here, as you can see, I have a gorgeous petunia seedling growing. For her, I also did top dressing but completely different. And look how fast it has grown. Here in the upper right corner I will leave a link to this top dressing. But we're going to prepare our growth stimulant. And for the preparation of this miracle top dressing, we need a jar of 1 pint, filled with warm water. We also need fresh yeast in my case. This is a package weighing 100 grams. It is fresh, not dry yeast. You will also need sugar and a stick for stirring. Just be sure to stick to the proportions that I will give you in this video. This will be a safe dosage for seedlings. And we will get what we need: rapid growth. To start, we need 10 grams of yeast. To do this, we visually divide the yeast into 10 parts. Dissolve them in warm water. Warm water is a must. Yeast is quickly activated, and even better they will work of course with the help of sugar. To do this, we need 1 tablespoon without a slide. Sugar is food for yeast. To start the process, now mix thoroughly. Then let the yeast stand a little, about 2 hours, until completely dissolved in water. And only then will we apply it. After 2 hours, we mix our solution again. It is a concentrate, and please note, I chose these proportions on purpose. They are very comfortable. Everyone has banks of this size. You will also need a 6-pint jar, which is filled with 5 pints of warm water. Pour our concentrate here. Mix thoroughly. All this is a ready-made solution for top dressing. And the benefits of using this stimulant for your seedlings. The fact is that thanks to yeast bacteria and their vital activity, the activity of microorganisms in the soil occurs, and rapid mineralization occurs. In ordinary words, this is the processing of organic matter in the soil, and at the same time a large amount of carbon dioxide is released, which leads to the rapid assimilation by plants of all micro and macro elements that are in your soil. Because after this feeding they become in an accessible form for the plant. Well, let's go feed. And this top dressing must be carried out before transplanting seedlings, as we will now provoke a rapid growth of the root system and the growth of leaves. And when here, in addition to the first pair of true leaves, a second pair appears, it means that the time has come for transplanting seedlings, and we will speed up this process with this top dressing. It is convenient to feed with a syringe, 5 milliliters per plant. And be sure to seedlings must first be watered, even slightly. On dry soil, this top dressing is not carried out, so as not to harm the seedlings. With this growth stimulator, we feed once now before transplanting seedlings and then after transplanting after 7 days, when the seedlings take root in pots in a new place. Also, this top dressing should be used immediately after preparation. No need to store it, as it loses its properties. Therefore, this volume that I gave you is suitable for home conditions and growing seedlings. And this dressing is also suitable not only for tomatoes, but also for peppers, eggplant, flowers. You can use other seedlings that you grow at home. As you can see, I even used a little less. I used 20 milliliters for 6 sprouts. Since my soil is well moistened, this volume will be enough. If the information from this video was useful to you, be sure to like it. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. And also subscribe to my channel so as not to miss the release of new videos. I wish you strong seedlings and a good day. See you in new videos.